Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, let me introduce myself. I am Pradakshina Ingre. I am studying in third year in Diploma in Computer Engineering from Zeal College of Engineering. The topic name of our micro project is Impact of Multiple Taxation on Small and Medium Scale Business. We have completed our project under the guidance of Ms. Dipali Parse ma'am of our Zeal Polytechnic. This is the index page and the topic which we are going to see further. Let's start with the introduction. In recent time, the world economy has developed tremendously, and this has been linked with activities of smaller and medium scale enterprises, especially in developing countries. A study carried out by the Federal Office of Statistics shows that in Nigeria, small and medium scale enterprises make up 97% of the economy REO 2005. Although smaller in size, they are the most important enterprises in the economy due to the fact that when all the individual effects are aggregate, they surpass that of the largest companies. The social or economic advantage of small and medium scale enterprises cannot overstate. This study is on the effect of multiple taxation on the performance of small and medium scale enterprises. Over the years, small and medium scale enterprises have been as any of job creation and the empowerment of Nigeria's citizens, providing about 50% of all jobs in Nigeria and also for local capital formation. Now let's see objective of the study. The general objective of the study is to examine the effect of multiple taxation of SMEs performance. First, to examine the relationship between multiple taxation and SMEs survival, to ascertain whether SMEs ability to pay taxes depends on their size. Next point is challenge of small and medium scale enterprises. First point is inadequate basic infrastructure. Government has not done enough to create the best conducive environment for the thriving of SMEs. The problems of infrastructure ranges from shortage of water supply, inadequate transfer system, lack of electricity to improper solid waste management. Nigeria underdeveloped physical and social infrastructure create a binding constraint of SMEs growth, since they heavily rely on their efficiently provide state infrastructure and cannot afford the cost of developing alternative. Second point is multiple taxation. This has become a major problem, especially given the role of tax consultant and agent hired by local government. They are often crude in their operation, excessive in their assessment and restrictive in their relationship with the production process. They tax everything in their bid to generate revenue without considering the net effect to household, revenue and employment. Third point is financial problems. About 80% of small and medium scale business enterprises are stifled because of poor financing and other associated problems. The problem of financing SMEs is not so much the source of funds but its accessibility. Factors identified inhibiting funds accessibility are the stringent conditions set by financial institute, lack of adequate collateral and credit information, and cost of accessing funds. Fourth, social culture problems. Most Nigerian entrepreneurs do not have the investment culture of proving back profits. Bala 2002 states that the attitude of a typical Nigerian entrepreneur is to invest today and reap tomorrow. See the next point, effect of taxes. Generally, effected of taxation refer to all the changes in the economy as a result of tax imposition. That the presence of tax distorts the patterns of production, consumption, investment, employment, and other similar patterns for good or for bad. He said that extents to which the volume of production is affected by the tax depends upon in influence on the ability and the desire to work, to save and to invest, to examine the effects of taxes on production and growth would like required knowing the effects of tax on the allocation of existing productive resource. A change in taxation will cause a realignment of consumers' wants and the reallocation of factors of production. This affects the demands for goods as service of the product of small-scale enterprises. Longnecker Act 1997 observed that taxes are serious burden imposed on small business cash flow and therefore represent a costly drain on the including taxes imposed by Nigeria on small medium-sized enterprises include business registration fees, environmental sanitation fee, fire service fee, development tax, market taxes, product fees, revenue tax, emblem levy, retail permit and trade permit, etc. So here our topic ends. Thank you for watching the video.